Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tech. In this video, I will talk about how to create a Korean account to earn play points. You guys are requesting me for this video, and so I am making this video. And in this video, I will show you step by step how you create a Korean account to earn play points. Okay, and watch this video till end. Otherwise, you will not understand. Okay, so let me start the video, and the video will be in 2 or 3 steps. Okay, watch every steps and don't skip the video, otherwise you will not understand. Okay, it is the first step. Okay, first you need to create a Gmail account. Okay, for this, here you can see I am in the settings, and just go to the account and sync option, and then here you can see add account option. Just tap on the add account option and tap on the add account option, then tap on the Google option available here, Google. Okay, and here you can see it is showing checking info. Just verify your fingerprint, and let's just wait. And here you can see just tap on the create account option and then tap on for myself. Okay, and then tap on the next option available here, and here you can see just first enter your first name and then enter your last name and then tap on the next. And here you can see just here you have to enter your date of birth and your gender. Okay, just select your date of birth and then select your gender and then tap on the next option available here. Okay, now here you can see here you have to choose your Gmail address. You can choose from here, or you can also create your own Gmail address, then tap on the next. Now here you can see here you have to create your password. Select a strong password for your Gmail address, then tap on the next. Now here you have to put your phone number. Okay, just put your phone number and then tap on the next, and then you will get a OTP. You have to just put here. Okay, and here you can see code. You have to just enter the code just you got. Okay, just here you can see. Now you have to go to the bottom of this page. Okay, and then what you have to do, just go to the bottom of this page and then tap on the option yes I am in. Okay, and then here you can see just tap on the next, and then here you can see terms and conditions. Just tap on the I agree. Now the Gmail account is created. Okay, here you can see Google services. The Gmail account is now created. Okay, so first step is now complete. Okay, this is the second step. Okay, here you need a VPN. As we are making Korean account, we need a VPN that will connect to Korea. So I am using this VPN Korea, and I will put a link in the YouTube description area so that you can also use this VPN. Okay, otherwise you can use a VPN as your choice. Now what you have to do, just connect to the South Korea. Let's just connect to the South Korea Seoul 2, and here you can see the VPN is now connecting. You just have to wait, and it will take some time to connect the VPN. And here you can see the VPN is now connected. The second step is now complete. This is the third step. Here you can see you have to go to your browser and you have to search Google account, and then you have to log into your Google account. Okay, as we are using VPN, the internet speed is now slow. Okay, and it will take some time. Okay, now you just have to wait, and here you can see just you have to go to your Google account. Just tap on the Google account and then you have to log into your account. Okay, just tap on the account. Just here you can see Google account, just, and it is taking some time as we are using VPN. Okay, just tap on the Google account and it will take some time. You just have to wait. Okay, and here you can see just tap on the go to Google account option available. Okay, just tap on the go to Google account, then you have to just wait as the internet speed is slow for VPN. Okay, now here you can see the page is loading and it is taking time as we are using VPN. For the VPN, the internet speed is now very slow. You just have to wait. Now you have to switch to the new account which you just recently created. Okay, just log in to that account. Okay, and here you can see the page is loading and it is taking time for VPN. And here you can see this is my new account which I recently created. Okay, now you have to go to the payments and subscription option available here, payments and subscription. Okay, then you have to just add the payment method. Here you can see just tap on the manage payment methods, just tap on manage payment methods and you have to wait, it is loading. And for the internet speed is slow, as the internet speed is slow and it is connected to VPN, so it is taking some time. And here you can see just add a payment method option. You can see you just have to tap on the add a payment method and then you have to add the payment method. Okay, now here you can see just tap on the add payment method and it is just loading and it will take some time. Here you can see it is loading. Now here you can see you have to just add credit or debit card, and here you can see card number and all the options, billing address and all the options. I will put all the information I will use in this video in the YouTube description area, so that you can also use my card details and my address details also. Here you can see, or you can watch the video or you can pause the video and just take a note, and you can use the address details and card details which I used. Okay, and or you can also use the information which I will provide in the YouTube description area. Okay, and here you can see I am just using a Korean address which is in Busan, and just postcode, all the thing I have to just fill up. Okay, and you just have to copy. I will put the information in the YouTube description area, or also you can just copy from this video. Okay, just pause the video and take what you need. Okay, now all the things are done. Just tap on the save option and here you can see, as always, it will not save. Okay, just tap on the save option again and it will not save. Okay, and now what you have to do, just tap on the cross option available above. Okay, just tap on the cross and here you can see now the page will load, and here you can see just now tap on the three option available above, and here you can see the payment method, the address you have to check. Okay, here you can see just tap on the addresses and here you can see it is loading and it is taking long time as we are using VPN, and it is loading. You just have to wait. Now here you can see my address details is now saved. Here you can see my address details is now saved. So third step is done. Now all the steps are done. Now you have to go to the Play Store and you have to switch to the account which you recently created. Okay, just go to Play Store and switch to the new account which you recently created. Okay, just switch, and here you can see I am just logging and it will take some time. And here you can see just get rewarded with Google Play points, and just tap on not now. And here you can see this is the Korean account. Okay, so the account creation is done. Now what you have to do, just go to the notification and offers, and here you can see the offers. Tap on the offers, then you will see the play points option. Okay, just tap on the enroll, and here you can see get started option. Just tap on the get started and it is now loading. And here you can see, and you will see the magic, and here you can see just tap on the yes I mean. Okay, and here you can see the play points. So here you can see the Korean account is created, and here you can see the play points is also enabled in the Korean account which I recently created. Okay, here you can see, and I am in the bronze level and 0 points as this is my new account. So with the help of this video you can create Korean account and you can earn play points with the help of this new created Korean account. Okay, so this is the video.